I am bored.
Okay.
What want you guys to want to do?
Thomas, I think we should go see monster trucks. How about you, Emily?
I would love to go. I just need to get my buffers shined first.
I love monster trucks. Can we go see the monster trucks?
Yes, Thomas. You can go see the monster trucks. As long as I come with you. I'll wait outside, though. Welcome to the championship round of Monster Trucks World Jam. In the final round, we have Donut Patrol. And we have Gravedigger. Let's get ready to rumble!
Gentlemen, start your engine.
I love monster trucks.
I love you, Donut Patrol. Mwah!
And then there was trouble.
Help! Help! Help!
We need super fighter.